How to validate Google Analytics for tracking on my website. There are two approaches to validate Google Analytics for tracking on your website. The first approach is for those who use their own GTM container. Quickly navigate to GTM, and then go to the Tag Assistant. In Data Layer, you will find the list of events that have already been integrated, such as GA3, GA4, Remarketing Conversion, Dynamic Remarketing, FB Pixel and Bing Pixel. Click any of your products, and it will trigger the view_item tag, and you can see the information that will pass to the events, such as GA4. Click on Add to Cart on your website, it will fire the add_to_cart tag. Here from tags, you can see whether it is integrated with the GA4 or not. If it is integrated, it will show here as GA4, Add to Cart. Here we show another example of a View Cart. Once you click on the View Cart button on your website, it will fire the view_cart tag. From tag, you can ensure your tag is integrated with GA4, and through the data layer you get to know about the information that is pushed to the GA4 for tracking. The same process you can follow to validate GA4 tracking for proceed to checkout, add shipping info, place order, and many other events. This is one way to identify your GA4 on tracking your website using your own GTM container. Let's move to another way where you are using the default GTM container. For that, you need to install the extension called Data Layer. Once you have installed the extension, you can validate the GA4 tracking on your website. You will find the data that will be sent to GA3 as well as GA4 for tracking. First, click any of the products on the website, and you will redirect to a new page where you will see view_item getting triggered in GA4 along with the useful information. The same goes with Add to Cart, proceed to checkout, add shipping info, place order, and any of the events you want to track in your GA4.